When I'm going online and I'm researching for my vacation destination, one of the first things I'm looking at, a comfy, amazing main bedroom. So that's your challenge this week, the main bedroom. Yes.
Nice.
There's a little twist to this week's challenge. You gotta work with what you have. And by that, I mean...
wood paneling!
What? That's right.
The paneling challenge is our challenge.
We are not afraid of keeping the wood paneling at all.
So this beautiful, disgusting, gross wood paneling is going to stay. No drywall, no choices.
So you have to incorporate the paneling somehow in your design.
What are we gonna do with this paneling?
Yeah.
What you end up doing with this, that's what's gonna make you stand out.
Whoever bounces off the wall the best will win $3,000 cash prize.
Oh, nice.
All right, so are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Well, the battle begins now!
Hi.
This is small.
What do you think?
All this paneling. This is, it's pretty bad, and it's not just the paneling. It's the fact that the gaps between the paneling, there's no symmetry.
I was thinking that we create a feature wall and then do something funky and cool, like a geometric shape.
First of all, I love a headboard wall.
Yeah.
It's like the easiest, most cost-effective way to add value. This game is all about value. Add value. It's not just about putting something pretty up, it's form and function at its finest. Even though that paneling stays up, it's gonna disappear.
Right.
Because you're only gonna look here. You walk in this door,
And you want this.
boom.
Yep.
You're not even looking at this garbage.
Yeah.
You're not even noticing this is
Right.
gross.
Allison was fully on board with our ideas for the main bedroom. That makes us feel like we're at least headed in the right direction. This week, we want to keep things simple and focus on creating a fun, comfy vibe. We're going to create a geometric headboard wall using strips of wood and paint the whole thing green. For contrast, we can paint the rest of the paneling a bright white so that the headboard wall really pops.
We're using the same flooring throughout the house, so we'll add that here and layer a cute area rug on top to make it cozy. We'll finish the room off with some beachy end tables with lamps and window treatment.
We really went all out in the last two challenges, so we have to rein in our spending a little bit, but I think we can do this all for $4,500.
I love it. I'm proud of you guys.
Thank you. Gotta make it work, right?
You guys are making it work already, so just keep that going.
We're making some cuts for our geometric wall in the main bedroom. So as they go up, all the angles are gonna line up like that.
So we're in the workshop, and we're really starting to feel the plan come together. It's starting to actually come to life. And all of a sudden, we hear the mentors yelling for us down at the beach.
All right, everybody, come on beachside.
Come on out!
So we took off and went to go check it out.
Hey, guys, how's it going?
It's going great.
Good.
Well, there's gonna be a second challenge this week. Yes!
Dun, dun, dun.
And what that means for you is an extra $2,000.
Well, just like in the real world, many times you have to delegate jobs to other people. You just can't always do it all. Mistakes in communication can cost you dearly with time, and it can be really expensive to fix.
This challenge is all about communication.
This week's challenge, you guys have 10 minutes to come up with a design for that guest room.
You will then have just 5 minutes to communicate to your carpenter every single detail of your design, because you will not be doing any of the work in the guest room. Your carpenter will.
Oh, gosh.
When your 5 minutes is up, you will walk out of the guest room and close the door behind you. Once that door is closed, you will have no more communication with your carpenter.
This is crazy. 5 minutes? You can't even start a conversation in 5 minutes.
You will get to furnish these rooms, and anything your carpenter might have missed or forgotten, you'll need to fix yourself.
Why can't I write?
It's okay, because we're in a rush.
My nerves are getting to me while we're doing this planning. I'm trying to write out the plan and I'm shaking. I need another color.
What?
I'm sorry, I need another color.
Okay, your carpenter is waiting for each of you in your guest bedrooms, okay? You got 5 minutes to communicate every aspect of what you just came up with.
Only one of you will be doing the communicating with the carpenter. So decide quickly who that's gonna be to speak for your team.
Oh, me? Yeah.
Okay.
Me? Okay.
You guys got it?
Harry!
I got you. Got it.
All right.
Well, go communicate.
Hey.
Let's go.
Visual, I know you're a visual guy. We plan on doing wainscoting.
Okay.
5 feet high.
For this challenge, we're going to add wainscoting as the headboard wall. This will add an element of luxury and certainly add value to our guest room. This is usually the type of project we handle ourselves, so we're putting a lot of trust in Fred to complete this design.
So we're gonna do this on
Time's
each
up.
wall.
Time's up, time's up, time's up.
I'm pretty sure we missed something in the communication. Like, especially if it's in your head, sometimes you don't always get it out in just
In
a few
5
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah.
Then we're leaving you, Fred. Come
You
on.
got it, Fred. Let's go, sir. You got
Got
it,
it.
sir.
Come on,
Let's
come
go.
on.
Only time will tell how Fred does with this challenge. But to be honest, I'm a little worried.
There you go. You gotta go fast. You gotta go fast. You don't have to go fast.
Okay. Today in the main bedroom, we had to spray the primer. It's a really important step that you don't want to skip.
Anytime you go over just a bare wood like this, especially like it's been sitting in the house, that wood yellow, that stain is gonna come back through. So putting the primer on is gonna seal it, and then we can come back over with a nice paint color.
Ding, 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 ding.
That's it. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Put your
Maybe
hands
you did
down.
that
Put
baseboard
your
one
hands
more
down.
time,
Put your hands down.
It is time to paint the headboard wall, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait.
Hello.
Hello. How you
Beauties. How's it going? I'm better now.
doing? Okay.
This looks so good.
Thank you.
So Alison comes into the main bedroom, and I feel like she's happy with the geometric wall.
Here's the one thing about a wall like this. You have to now have symmetry. This is not symmetrical, so you've got to make sure that your furniture anchors it.
Okay.
So you really do need the same nightstands and the same lamps. Because remember, you got Mike and Mina. Mike is someone who doesn't just play Mr. Make It Right. That man is make it right, otherwise I'm gonna notice. I don't want to like stop Sunjay from designing, but you know, I have to teach.
Lots to do.
You good?
Yeah, feel good.
We feel goodish.
Good.
Goodish.
Goodish is good.
Hey guys,
Oh.
guess what time it is?
Speak of the man.
Devil, yeah.
I guess it's time to check out the communication room.
Yes, we get to see it now.
Oh, here we go.
Let's see how good you talk and how good you listen.
Let's go see it, Fred. Let's see what you got.
All right, let's go.
I cannot wait to see this.
Let's see what we got.
Wow.
That's cool.
It's beautiful.
You guys like it?
This is nice.
So we walk into the guest room, and at first glance, I am just blown away. It is gorgeous. I
Good
love
job,
it.
man. Good job.
But then there's one small problem.
Where's the floors?
There's no way we're gonna win the communication challenge room with no flooring.
What happened?
We're missing a major element here.
Yeah. This is kind of.
Fred? We're missing floors.